Hey Samsung TV owners, having trouble with zero sound from your optical out? Don't worry, I've been there, and it's almost never a hardware disaster. Most of the time, it's just a settings hiccup, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix it, step by step. First up, let's tackle the number one culprit, the audio format. Grab your remote and press home or menu. Head over to settings, then sound, and dive into expert settings. You're looking for digital output audio format. Switch this to PCM. That's it. PCM. Most TVs default to something else, and optical just won't play nice. For a lot of people, this is game over. The sound's back. Didn't work? No issue. Next, let's do a built-in sound test. Press home, go into settings, then support, and select self-diagnosis. Tap start sound test and follow along. If you hear that test sound, your TV's audio system is actually working, so your problem is probably outside the TV. Maybe the cable or sound bar. Speaking of cables, step 3, the optical cable itself. Unplug it from both the TV and your sound system. Take a close look. Any bends, cracks, or dirt. Clean the connector if you need to. When you plug it back in, you should feel a soft click. No click, no connection. If the cable looks even a little sketchy, replace it. These things fail way more than people realize. Still nothing? Let's go nuclear with a factory reset. Home, then settings, then general, and then reset. You'll need your PIN, and the TV will reboot. On older models, go through support, then self-diagnosis, then reset. Heads up, this wipes your custom settings, so you'll have to set things up again. But it can squash hidden software bugs. Before you call it quits, double-check the basics. Is the TV muted? Is the volume up? Is the audio output actually set to optical and not TV speakers? And, is your TV software up to date? Sometimes it's the little things that trip us up. If you're still stuck, it might be time to contact Samsung support or try a different sound system. Thanks for hanging out. I hope this helped you get your sound back. See you next time.